All right, this is a review on the Denon 150. I got one of these with my Denon receiver for my audiovisual setup here at the house. Great device. I recommend it. It's better than a lot of the other apps devices out there. It has all the music apps. You can program it with Alexa, and Alexa should be coming up right there, and you can set it up. Then here's the kicker with this. It has the HEOS app in it. So with the HEOS app, you can program each room separately, or you can group them if you have more than one. I have 3. I have one in my living room, one in my office, and one here in my bedroom. You can group it so that you have the same song playing throughout the house, and not have to worry about your stereo system. I use this when I'm in the kitchen. I use it when I'm in the living room. If I'm not watching TV or watching a movie, I'm always listening to music when I'm around. Now, as you can see, motion sensor across the top, pause, play, volume up and down, mic muting, and talk. And it's got 3 preset channels that you can program. If you want to use your Pandora or whatever, you can preset your radio stations from Pandora or any of the other music services. Now, here on the back side, there's the network button. That's pretty much how you set everything up. It's got an Ethernet cable hookup. It's got a USB hookup. It's got an auxiliary in hookup. It can sync to Bluetooth. The power button, well, that's the cord. So it's constantly on, just like all the other stuff. Now, you can have this thing hooked up to your TV set. If you have more than one, the HEOS app will let it. You can sync it and you can run it as sound for your TV. I don't. I've got a different system for that. I use my Denon home system for that. But this is by far one of the most excellent devices I've ever got, and I'm really happy with it. And here's just a sample of the sound. As you can see, it's got some great sound to it, and it's just a win around all over the place. They have 2 other models. I went with these. I seriously thought about going with one of the other ones, but I already have a 150, so I just added 2 more 150s around my house. Only downside that I can find is that it's not weatherproof. So if you want to use it outside, you got to carry it in and out. You got to hook it up and power it back on and everything all like that. But other than that, that's the only downside. Y'all have a good day.